Top 25 must-visit destinations in Poland, Summer 2025. Welcome to the InfoMax. Summer 2025 is fast approaching, and it's time to plan your ultimate adventure. Poland, with its incredible history, stunning landscapes, and vibrant culture, should be on your radar. In this video, we'll guide you through the top 25 must-visit destinations in Poland, each offering a perfect mix of fascinating history, breathtaking scenery, and unforgettable experiences. Stay tuned until the end, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the InfoMax for more exciting travel inspiration. Let's dive in. Poland is a summer traveler's dream. The weather in the summer months is ideal, not too hot, not too cold, with long days perfect for outdoor adventuring. Town squares buzz with festivals, streets are filled with music and food vendors, and the countryside is blanketed in vibrant greenery. Whether you're exploring historic cities, hiking in the mountains, or relaxing by a picturesque lake, Poland in the summer promises a trip you'll never forget. Let's start with a look at the landmarks that showcase Poland's incredible history. Wawel Royal Castle, Krakow. This stunning castle, perched on a hill overlooking the Vistula River, was once the home of Polish kings. Explore the intricately decorated halls, impressive art collections, and the legendary Dragon's Den at the base of the castle, where Polish folklore comes alive. Auschwitz-Birkenau Memorial and Museum. A visit to this site offers a profound and sobering experience. As one of the most important Holocaust memorials in the world, it preserves the stories of those who endured unimaginable hardships during World War II. Warsaw Old Town. Destroyed during World War II and painstakingly rebuilt brick by brick, Warsaw's Old Town is a symbol of Poland's resilience. Wander its cobblestone streets, marvel at the colorful facades, and watch history come to life. Malbork Castle, the world's largest brick castle and a UNESCO World Heritage Site, Malbork Castle is a medieval gem. Dating back to the 13th century, its Gothic architecture and fascinating history transport you back to the time of the Teutonic Knights. Gniezno Cathedral. As one of Poland's oldest and most important churches, Gniezno Cathedral is a treasure trove of history. Its doors, covered in intricate bronze reliefs telling biblical stories, are among the most valuable medieval artifacts in the country. Poland's natural beauty is just as impressive as its history. Here are some destinations where nature takes center stage. Słowinski National Park. Known for its unique moving sand dunes along the Baltic coast, this park offers an otherworldly experience. Walk the trails, discover hidden beaches, and watch the dunes shift under the influence of the wind. Zakopane and the Tatra Mountains. Nestled in Poland's southern region, Zakopane is a gateway to the Tatra Mountains. Enjoy gorgeous hiking trails, cozy wooden chalets, and an authentic dose of Polish mountain culture. Morskie Oko Lake. This shimmering emerald lake, surrounded by towering peaks, is a must-see for nature lovers. It's one of the most picturesque spots in the Tatra Mountains, and a favorite for hikers. Masurian Lake District. Poland's Lake District is a water sports paradise. Sail, kayak, or just relax by its serene waters. With over 2,000 interconnected lakes, this region is perfect for a peaceful summer getaway. Białowieża Forest. Step into the enchanting Białowieża Forest, one of Europe's last remaining primeval woodlands. Keep an eye out for its famous population of European bison while enjoying the serenity of this UNESCO World Heritage Site. Poland's cities and towns are filled with culture, charm, and plenty to discover. Gdansk's Old Town. Located on the Baltic coast, Gdansk's Old Town is unforgettable. Stroll through its streets, lined with Gothic and Renaissance buildings, and check out landmarks like the Neptune Fountain. Don't miss the delicious seafood by the river. Krakow's Rynek Główny Main Square. Krakow's Main Square is one of the largest medieval squares in Europe. It's surrounded by stunning historical buildings, lively cafes, and bustling markets. The iconic St. Mary's Basilica is a sight you won't forget. Wrocław's Market Square. Known for its vibrant atmosphere, Wrocław's Market Square is surrounded by colorful townhouses. Hunt for the city's famous dwarfs, hidden figurines scattered throughout the area, and dive into the city's unique history. Poznan's Old Town. Poznan's Old Town is bursting with energy. Visit the Renaissance-style town hall, famous for its goat clock, and treat yourself to local delicacies at the bustling market square. Łódź Cultural Hub. Once an industrial city, Łódź has transformed into a cultural oasis. Explore the iconic Piotrkowska Street, filled with street art, trendy cafes, and shops, or visit the city's impressive modern art museums. Looking for something off the beaten path? Here are a few hidden gems worth exploring. Torun, the birthplace of famed astronomer Nicolaus Copernicus. Torun is a medieval gem with a fairy tale charm. Known for its Gothic architecture and traditional gingerbread, it's a sweet treat for history lovers. Kazimierz Dolny. This quaint riverside town is an artist's haven. Explore its cobblestone streets, charming market square, and scenic hilltop views complete with castle ruins. Ciechocinek Spa Town. Need some relaxation? Visit Ciechocinek, famous for its therapeutic saline waters and unique wooden graduation towers. It's the perfect place to rejuvenate and recharge. Bieszczady Mountains. Escape the crowds and breathe in the tranquility of the Bieszczady Mountains. This remote, untouched part of Poland offers picturesque hiking trails, sweeping views, and plenty of peace. Świętokrzyskie Mountains. As Europe's oldest mountain range, the Świętokrzyskie Mountains are steeped in Polish folklore. Visit the historic Holy Cross Abbey and enjoy the natural beauty this region offers. Some destinations stand out for their unique cultural and historical significance. Jasna Góra Monastery, Częstochowa. This sacred pilgrimage site is the home of the Black Madonna, a revered icon believed to have miraculous powers. Its stunning surroundings and spiritual atmosphere are unforgettable. Wolf's Lair, Wilczyszaniec, tucked deep in the woods, this former Nazi headquarters is an eerie and fascinating glimpse into Poland's World War II history. Białystok and Podlasie region, known for its cultural diversity, this region is a melting pot of traditions. Explore its unique wooden architecture and enjoy the blend of Christian, Orthodox, and Jewish influences. Książ Castle. End your journey at the magical Książ Castle, a fairy tale-like complex surrounded by lush gardens and forests. It's the perfect place to wrap up your Polish summer adventure. Conclusion. Poland offers a little bit of everything. Vibrant cities, tranquil nature, incredible food, and a deep sense of history. From the glittering lakes of the Masurian district to the medieval charm of Torun, there's something here for every type of traveler. So, whether you're a history buff, a nature enthusiast, or simply seeking a unique destination this summer, Poland has got you covered. We hope you enjoyed this guide to the top 25 must-visit destinations in Poland. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the InfoMax. Let us know in the comments which destination you're most excited to visit, or if you've already been to one of these amazing places. Stay tuned for more incredible travel videos. Until next time, happy travels.